In the middle of a bear market and with crypto prices moving pretty much sideways all week, trading activity in decentralized exchanges is spiking to the highest in over a year. What explains this? That is the question. This story is a great example of how the space is never boring, sometimes to the point of bordering on the absurd. Last week, Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin himself said that a project called The Protocol would be pretty easy to shill, as its supporters could say, hey, look, so-and-so mentioned the when referring to pretty much anything. Vitalik was poking fun at the hundreds of trolls and shills plaguing his mentions in crypto Twitter in general, who very often take any opportunity to pump their bags. But crypto being crypto, more than 24 coins named THE are already trading on Ethereum and Binance chains. So blockchain security firm PeckShield already flagged 6 of them as so-called honeypots, which are scam tokens that can be bought but not sold, leaving unwitting buyers stuck with useless tokens. Don't do that. The cryptosphere is always up for a good meme, and crypto degens have sent THE tokens soaring in the past couple of days. Price action went parabolic. Even Buterin was caught by surprise and he tweeted, okay, what have I done, after being inundated with replies promoting THE's new tokens. This may seem like frivolous pieces of information, especially compared to some of the heady topics we covered earlier this week with ZK rollups on Monday's video and wallet censorship on Ethereum yesterday, but as funny as the tokens are, they're not inconsequential. But you know what is consequential? Today's sponsor who made this video possible. Singularity DAO is a decentralized portfolio management protocol that manages crypto assets using AI and advanced data analysis. Dynasets are non-custodial vaults of tokens created to outperform holding popular assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. During the previous trading window, Dynasets outperformed their underlying assets by more than 50%, with users of DynETH doubling their Ethereum holdings. The Dynaset contribution window is open now and will close in a few days. Use the referral code Defiant when depositing to enter a prize draw of 500 SDAO for 5 winners and go ahead and benefit from their advanced trading strategies. Today, the younger generation's increasingly taken their investments and finances into their own hands and often discussing ideas where the communities are. Those communities happen to be on crypto Twitter, Reddit boards, and TikTok, which ends up meaning that finance is a lot more social nowadays. We saw what happened with meme stocks like GameStop last year, where a crowd of retail investors could blow up a huge hedge fund's short position. Well, the power of memes is even stronger on crypto because by its nature, it's a market that lives 24/7 online and it's dominated by younger retail investors, especially the lower cap tokens. So all of that is to say, don't underestimate meme coins too much, because while they start as jokes, they often have a real market impact. And the best example is Dogecoin, which is still somehow within the 10 biggest cryptocurrencies in the world. We are definitely not saying THE will have the same lasting power, but it's certainly had a short-term impact worthy of consideration. So this renewed interest in meme coins has led to a spike in activity elsewhere on Uniswap, which is DeFi's leading decentralized exchange. On the Defiant.io, we ended up compiling some data that shows a 40% spike in the number of completed trades and users on Uniswap. That's in the last 3 days alone. We have no idea what's going to happen in the next week. Daily users crossed 30,000 for the first time since March 2022, and at nearly 200,000 daily transactions yesterday, trading activity is by far the highest since June 2021, as we can see on the Defiant terminal. And by the way, anyone can access this data and create their own custom charts. Just head to our charting tool via terminal.thedefiant.io. So back to the madness. THE was traded more than 11,000 times in the past 24 hours. It's now somehow the second most traded pair after USDC ETH, according to a query created for the Defiant by OXBoxer, who actually handles developer relations at Dune Analytics. So, as we can see, the meme coin has had an indirect impact on ETH itself, and gas prices on Ethereum have remained slightly elevated since the weekend, and the supply of Ether continues to drop as ETH burned from transaction fees exceeds post-merge issuance. So yes, meme coins have had some real impact. We can't just outright ignore them, especially when so many retail investors treat meme coins like a slot machine at the casino. But on the other hand, they're by definition jokes with no real utility or fundamental value. Also, as we mentioned before, meme coins are fertile ground for scammers and pump and dumpers. The chance of being left with a large number of useless tokens is very high. So please be smart with your money and tread carefully out there. That's it for today's quick take. Be safe and we'll see you again tomorrow.